how to enable or disable notification app icon badges on the Samsung Galaxy S25, S25 Plus, Edge or Ultra. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Then on the home screen, swipe down at the top to open up quick settings. From here, tap on the settings icon. Next, we then scroll down and tap on notifications. Then tap on advanced settings. Now scroll down and tap on app icon badges. Tap on the toggle button to switch it off or turn it on. Now once it is turned off, you can see for my messages app, there is no longer a notification badge. And if I switch it on, I will get the app icon badges display at the top corner. And that's it. Finally, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.